Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to this video. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you shortly on how to transfer your funds within your XT exchange app, right? So if you're having money on your spot account and want to start trading derivatives, I'm going to show you how to do that right away. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on the notification button so you get notified whenever I post an important video like this. Without wasting much time, let's get to the video. Right here is your XT exchange app homepage, so you just go ahead and click on assets right here. Once you click on assets, now on your asset bar right here, you click on transfer because you want to be transferring funds within your XT exchange app, so you click on it. So right now, if you click on your transfer, you'll be seeing transfer from spots right here to USDT futures account. So let's take for example, you're having money on your spot account and you want to start trading futures and you want to transfer it. You just tap on it. If the money is in your spot account right here, you leave it. If it's in your margin account, which is right here, you click on your margin account. So after clicking on it, now on your spot account, which currency pair or which crypto token is it? Is it USDT? If it's USDT, you leave it. Now right here is where you type in the amount of USDT you want to be transferring. Do you want to transfer 50 USDT, which is 50%, or you want to transfer all, which is 100 USDT? Whatsoever amount of USDT you want to transfer. So right now, if you want to transfer all, you just tap on this icon or right here. Once you tap on it, it's going to transfer all. The amount of USDT you want to transfer all will be shown right here. So right now you can see there is no available balance right here, that's why it's not showing. But this is the simplest way on how to transfer your funds within the XT exchange app. So after you've done that, or you now click on transfer right here, you can now click on transfer, and once you click on transfer, your funds will be transferred from your spot to your futures. And once you come back to your home page and click on your futures, you can see your available balance will be reflected here. So this is the simplest way of transferring your funds within the XT exchange app. I hope this video you find it very helpful, and if you're still watching this video up to this time, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. And there will also be a link in the description below. If you're watching this video and you don't have an XT exchange app, there will be a link in the description below where you can create your account and also get a discount for doing that. There will also be a link in the description below to our free Telegram channel where we share free trade signals every single day. Do well to check it out. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.